Hello, you lovely quizzers. Now, I was asked quite recently if you can add on questions or you can pull questions from somewhere else. So here we are in the HQFM quiz and bingo software. We're in your particular login and we're at your database, which is great. So that means that you have either written a quiz or you have saved one already historically from the Hive. So let's go into a quiz and let's see what we can do. Okay, we've got all the options we've got here. We want to edit because we want to add more questions in. So here are the existing questions. Now, if you wanted to edit the questions, there's another video for that, which we can sort of see. You can quite simply, you can click on it and you can change the actual wording that's on there as long as you change the answer as well. But for this particular video, we want to add more questions. So all we do, we go into the particular round that you want and we can simply press the plus button. Now the plus button there, as we go down, that'll give us question number 2, and we could type in whatever we want to type in for our particular question, and then we can select which type of answer that we want. But if you wanted to pull one from somewhere else, it's really kind of cool. So make sure that you are on the actual question that you want to populate. Go back up to the top and go to the question bank. Now, if you go into the question bank, you can type any keyword that you want in there. So with this occasion, we're going to use Rachel. We're going to search for a question, and here are all the questions that are related to the name or word Rachel on this occasion. And all you do is simply add the question in, and that populates it, and away we go. That is nice and easy. But the other way we can do it as well is that we can go into this particular populated question, and we can then go to the Hive. Now, if you go to the Hive and you click on it, you can then go into the Hive and quite simply find one of the other quizzes that you want to. So if you wanted to include, let's say on this occasion, you've got an Oasis quiz and you wanted to put 10 Oasis quiz questions in there. Go over to view, and then we're going to type in here, which is the name of the quiz that we want to add the question to. So if memory serves, it was that one, and we're going to add it to this. Okay, so before we click save, it's going to save this particular question. So if this isn't the question that you want to add in, just click on next until you find the actual question that you want to save into that particular quiz. So on this occasion, we're going to go for this one, Wonderwall. We're going to save it. Now then, just to show you where it populates, we can go to, we'll close that particular one and we'll go back to the quiz that we've now wanted to add an extra one. You can see there that the number has increased. So we're going to go back into edit, and then we're going to find where that question has been populated. Now, it's not populated where we want it to, which is a good thing because I want to show you something else. Let's find where it's populated it to, not round 2, and it's not gone to round 3. So, of course, it's gone to round 4. And here's the question there. Name the song the following lyric was from. That's the Wonderwall question. So if you want to move this particular question, you don't want it in the final round, but you want it in round 1, it's dead easy. All you do is simply pick it up, drag it, drop it, and it's in. And again, if we look at round 1 where it's gone to question number 1. So let's just say you don't want it to be question number 1. You want it to be somewhere else. You want it to be question number 5. Just drag and drop it to question number 5. It's really easy. So that's how you can add additional questions from the Hive database. Just be aware as well that if you have had one of these quizzes that you've played before, that you're not duplicating any of the questions. So it's dead simple. You can either go in and add a question from the question bank, or you can go to an existing quiz and you can save that question to your quiz that you want to play. And then if it's not in the right place, drag and drop it to wherever you want it. Nice and easy, dead simple. Happy quizzing.